Crude oil and natural gas both rallied again today, and beautifully we have seen the double top levels in crude oil, my favorite zone 72.2, 72.4. In my first update today, we have mentioned that these levels are achievable and this is going to be a good resistance. And also, I have mentioned that beyond this, we are looking forward to a move towards 74 or 75 levels as well. While natural gas is also kept moving upwards and it is still struggling to break beyond 3.0 to 3.05 zone. So, can we expect a breakout now? Can we expect oil and nat gas to give a massive rally again with the geopolitical tensions rising? Can we expect it to impact the oil and gas prices? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading oil and gas? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. I will give you the detailed review on multiple time frames, and I am going to give you the entry points and take profits with proper reasoning so that you can all take a call wisely. And this is the only channel to give you in the world to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis. Thus subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and do join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into US crude, followed with natural gas. Watch till now. Remember, oil has achieved the double top levels at 72.3, and this zone is very critical for crude oil. What has happened here after the drop? It has retraced, and see, it is this is the first bearish candle in, and it is still under retracement. I will not treat this as a reversal. I will see this as a retracement only. See, this is the main trend after this good bullish move, and this is under retracement. So, still there is a possibility of a pullback. As long as now 72.6 levels are not taken, we have to be careful. In fact, I will say 72.4, 72.6 is the zone you should watch out for. Any move beyond this, just stay bullish. Just close your eyes, stay bullish for 73.5 and in fact 74 levels as well. But I think that there is a possibility of reversal. Look at the moving averages, these are crossed over, these are trading bullish. And also on the downside, now remember one fact, that first 74 1.4, 71.6, then 71, and then 70.6. These three levels are going to remain prime support for here oil on the downside. Now the inventory data today is going to remain the critical driving factor here. See this zone here, almost identically double top levels. So possibility of a reversal cannot be denied. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI overbought here. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts also the moving averages have crossed over. This is a good bullish sign. And also I have mentioned earlier, see, oil is trading in this channel here, higher lows and higher highs here. Where are the highs of this channel? Towards 74. So today if it breaches 72.4, 72.6, I think we should just close our eyes and stay bullish. 73 and 73.5, 73.6 should be the first resistances, and in fact we can look forward to 74 as well. But I still have my opinion reserved here. As long as it stays below 72.6 and as long as it stays above 70.6, this $2 zone is something you should watch out for the day. Remember, the inventory data today can reverse the trend. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI rising here. On the 3 hour, the observation is more or less same. Right now it is trading bullish here and it is trading in this channel. Just let it break on the upside or on the downside. Though the crossover here is a good bullish sign here. The crossover here suggests that there is a momentum which is going to stay here for a while. Stochastic entering into overbought. MACD trading with divergence and bullishness, and RSI is rising as well. And on the 4 hour charts also the observation is more or less same. Yes, trading in this and forming nice flag. Any drop below 71, 70.6 today is a clear sign of reversal. Now also remember, this double top zone is something you should watch out for. Earlier yesterday also I have mentioned that I will show you something on the daily charts, but I have mentioned that it is consolidated enough and it can bounce back. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI overbought here. Coming to the daily charts, and before we look into daily, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch, and if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services, and if you just want to trade with a broker which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges so that you can save much of your, the broker which can offer you a free account, also which can give you a safer environment for you to trade with all the global instruments for you to trade. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. If you join through the link, you will get the lowest spreads on offer. Now look at the daily. Now if you look at the daily chart, see the move here. This is the zone from where the prices have reversed. And if you treat this as a double top formation, we can say that oil must find it difficult to break beyond 72.4, 72.6 zone, because that will confirm its movement towards 74. And also if you divide this into two, you can say this is identically symmetrical formation. Thus the prices might now try to stay range bound, which suggests that it is not going to break below 70.6, or it is not going to break above 72.6 and going to stay in this $2 zone. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising, the MACD is also rising, the RSI is rising. So on the daily charts, though there is scope for further rise, but I think it is definitely going to get greater resistances on the upside. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 72.4 levels or 72.3 levels. Expected to keep moving towards 72.6, the first resistance. Once it breaks the 72.6, you can stay bullish. We are looking forward to 73, 73.55 and 74 levels as the next targets. Appears difficult, but yes, achievable. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell 71.6, expect 71.4, 71.2 and 71. Three major supports here till 71. You can say 20 cents trailing stop loss you have to put. Below 71 is where you can see slight bearishness taking the prices towards 70.4, 70.5 levels. And if it drops below this zone, just stay bearish. We are looking forward to a move which is going to take the prices below 70 again, which is going to in fact take it towards 69, the strongest support. While on the upside, I have already mentioned, if it reaches 72.6, you can just stay bullish here. Take your trades accordingly. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Let's start. First, we look into natural gas. Now, see natural gas on the hourly charts. I have mentioned one thing earlier, that look at the support at 2.95. With that as support, prices are trying to stay bullish. And now, earlier in the day, it has again taken the support from the $3 levels and now is staying bullish here. Now it has come towards the next resistance zone at 3.0506, because beyond this we are looking forward to another stronger rise here, which is going to take it towards 3.1, 3.13, 3.18 levels. Yes, it can keep on rising. Rise, consolidation, and a breakout here is going to be tremendously strong. So be watchful of this. Stochastic is overbought here, and the MACD after retracement now crossing over here for the buys. RSI is rising here, coming to 2. Likewise, on the 2-hour chart, see double bottom is formed. It is trying to bounce. It is trying to rise. And see earlier we have seen the Bollinger Bands also making a neck here. Now after the neck, definitely a divergence is to be seen, and that is what is happening right now. And thus possibility exists that once it stays above 3.06, we can look forward to 3.1 levels as the next target, 3.13 as the next, and then in fact it can keep on moving towards 3.18, 3.2 or 3.24 levels. The stochastic overbought, MACD crossing over here again for a buy, and the RSI is back to overbought zone. On the 3-hour chart, the observation is same here, and not to mention that, see the movement here, track the movement here, rise, retracement, and this is a breakout. This is a consolidation, and a breakout here is going to lead to another round of strong bullishness. Just mark the charts as how I have drawn. Whether it behaves the same way or not, just observe. The stochastic overbought, MACD trying to cross over for the buys, and RSI entering into overbought zone. Coming to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, similar is the observation, taking the support. Now price is trying to bounce back. Only selling entry is below 3 or 2.9, and once the price stays below 3, 2.98, you can say we can look forward to a complete reversal. Else what is happening after taking the support? Now it is trying to break out, and thus beyond 3.06 we can look forward to a move towards 3.1. Stochastic here is back to overbought levels. The MACD was trading bearish. It is now willing to cross over for a buy. RSI entering into overbought zone. Coming to the day. Now look at the daily charts. Look at the two candles yesterday. A bit of consolidation was seen, and it is now breached the two highs what we had seen yesterday, and it has come towards my favorite resistance at 3.0506. Now, as I said, this zone at 3.0506 is critical for net gas. because once it stays above 3.06, we are looking forward to 3.1. So the lower price has to be above 3.060, that is 3.060. If these level is taken, just stay bullish. We can look forward to 3.1, 3.13, 3.18 also. Though such a stronger move, I do not expect it to deliver today. But yes, some point of time soon, again, we may see net gas as 3.2, 3.24 or higher levels. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at now 3.02. Now 3.02, which was the resistance, is now going to be the support here. And thus, if you're selling at 3.02, just wait for it to break below 2.98. Now 2.98 and $3 levels is going to remain a critical milestone for today for natural gas. If it breaks 2.98 $3 levels, we are going to stay short. We are looking forward to a major bearish move towards 2.95, towards 2.9, which I do not expect it to happen today. But these are markets. I have to give you the perspectives on both the sides. Largely, the intent is now bullish. Let it just stay above 3.06. Trade accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not miss to watch every day the first update with the Asia and Europe session. That gives you a fair bit of idea on how to profit very, very well in advance. Thus, do watch that, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.